What's up, everyone? Vice Grind here. Today, I'm going to show you how to use ElevenLabs for free, forever. First, go to Google and search for 10-minute temp email. Click the first link to generate a burner email. Then, click the copy icon next to the email address on the left. Paste that into the email field on ElevenLabs. Create a password, accept the terms, and click Sign Up. After that, go back to the 10-minute email site to verify your email. When the verification email appears, click Verify Email, then re-enter the email and password you created. Make sure to save your login details so you can copy and paste them for quicker sign-ins. And there you have it. You now have a verified account you can use for free trial. You can keep repeating these steps. When you've used all the credits on this account, simply sign out or delete it and create a new one. Make sure to have a VPN enabled. I personally use NordVPN. I also use Brave browser for its anti-device fingerprinting measures. If you found this helpful, leave a like and subscribe. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comment below. I'll try to respond as soon as possible.